Okay, on this video, we're going to be going over the two newest scent releases from Fetti Says. We've got Plum Fig that just came out, and we've got Salted Caramel Musk. So welcome, my name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, where we try to help you grow your best beer possible. Thank you so much for joining me. And just a couple of nights ago on our March Madness Sales live stream event, we released Plum Fig. Which is a really good scent. I like both of these scents. They do have some sweetness and some richness to it. But let's go over a couple of things here. You can get an oil for $30 now. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the big boy. This is 2 ounces, all right, which makes it a decent price. For a 2 ounce, a 3 ounce butter, it's 30. And then for some scents, and I don't think they've come out with that for these particular items yet, but usually he'll add in a couple weeks later, you may be able to get like a wash and conditioner and those kind of things with it. So you can check out the website and see what is available. So let's talk about Plum Fig. So the scent on this is pretty complex. So you've got base notes, which are smoke woods and sandalwood. The middle note is Concord grape, and the top is sugared plum and fig. So really good scent. I like grape scents, or sometimes they call them wine scents a lot of times, but Concord grape is what you get mostly when you put it on. I don't really get like plums and figs kind of all go together. I've had some other scents in the past that had fig in it. They kind of smell like powdery and could be feminine in certain instances, but not the way this is mixed together with the plum and the grape and then the base. So the base, you do get a little bit of woodiness from it. Smoke woods and sandalwood. I don't really get anything smoky out of it, but it just kind of gives it some nice kind of manly depth, and that's what it smooths out to. The Concord grape does go on just about the entire time that the scent is lasting, but you get more of the wood start to kind of bleed through, if you will. Very nice scent. I really enjoy it. Feeling Beard is good. Now, if you've not tried Fetti Says, he varies his carrier oils for different scents. So this particular one has Indian castor, hemp seed, pumpkin seed, black seed, and meadow foam seed. So all really good carrier blends. I think it's the hemp seed on this that makes it look a little bit dark. I don't know if you can see that there. So it's kind of a greenish tint to it, but it works extremely well. All right, next up, we've got the Salted Caramel Musk. And to me, this is more like a fall scent, but where you're getting like a salted caramel latte without the coffee part. So if you kind of like the idea of that, that's kind of what I get here. So you get 3 kinds of African musk, which is kind of interesting. So that once again, when it starts to smooth out, you do get the caramel and the maple, and that goes on the longest, almost the entire length of the scent, but you do get more of the muskiness kind of comes through and makes it a little more sophisticated on the end. Very nice scent, but once again, you do have to kind of like the sweeter salted caramel and maple scents that you get out of that. But I like it. It's not one I would wear all the time just because it's kind of a specialty kind of scent for me, not an everyday wear. But this one, I've only worn this once, so I can't speak to the Feeling Beard a whole lot. I've worn the Plum Fig like 3 times, and I really enjoy it. But this is rosehip oil, cucumber seed oil. I love cucumber seed. Haitian castor oil, and shea nut oil. So once again, totally different blends, but they both feel good in my beard. He also sent out Brooklyn Tea Party, a butter on that super smooth butter. I've only had a chance to use it once, but Brooklyn Tea Party made my top scents of the year for 2022. So you can go back and check out that video if you want, but that's a really nice tea scent. It's got buttered rum in it with a touch of lemon, but the buttered rum really works well with the tea to keep it from being so kind of bitter with an unsweetened kind of tea. You get a little bit of that buttered rum goes with it. Works extremely well. I've got like 6 Fetti Says scents here, and usually I don't keep scents around if I don't like them because I get too much stuff in. But white apple bourbon is a really good one, and I think all of these are still available. I kept telling me I need to bring back the chocolate coffee oud. I don't usually like chocolate scents or coffee scents. This is a really good one to try. And then also I have Limonata Da Vinci here, which is a really good kind of lemon type of scent. I tried some other ones I liked. Okay, Fetti or Myth was a pretty good one. And then there was Brunch on Sundays, I didn't like that one quite as much. Presidential Suite, I didn't like that one. Just to give you my take on some things. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Fetti Says and which scents are your favorite and how the different carrier blends work for you. Also, you can save 20% with the code BANJO20. I got that discount code to share with you. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you soon.